Hello my crafty friends. I have a card share, just a few cards really quick. These 3 cards come from the Queen & Company kit called All Bundled Up Shaker Kit. It comes with everything. The foam, the acetate, the shaker bits, stamps, paper, everything. The only thing I added was the enamel dot, the pom-pom, the snowflakes, and some glitter on the inside. So that's it, you know. So this is the first one that I made for a good friend. Any cheeks? This is, some of my best friends are flakes. And then just the inside is plain for right now, because I don't want to give it away to who it's going to. So that's the first one. And then this one is the mittens, and it's upside down. Real life here, guys. Again, this is some of the paper. You get the kit to make the little, you get the acetate and the dies with this kit as well. I added some twine from my stash. And I used a Lawn Fawn ink and a couple of puffy hearts and some enamel, or some pop dots to lift it up. But everything else is from the kit. So super cute, and I think the inside is just plain. So that's the second one. And the last one's my favorite. Now this particular stamp right here is from another stamp that I have. It's a Stampin' Up stamp. No, it's not. It's not Stampin' Up. It's Stamps of Life. And, sorry, kitty hair, I think. Anyway, and that was in that, as well as the little mittens were a die cut, or a die from that set. So I used that and some stickles. And I did add the little snowflake sequins in there because I had them in my stash, but everything else came with the kit. So it's 2 shakers in one, and it just says Close Knit Friends, and I put the matching mittens with some stickles on it. Just really simple. And I did emboss this back panel with a Cuttlebug snowflake embossing folder. But everything else is from the kit. So that is my card share, you guys. I have 3 of these kits I'm determined to use this year, and when I have no mojo and I'm just kind of bored, I'll put one together. It doesn't take really long and kind of gets the creative juices going again, and frees up the over busy mind. But anyway, those are my 3 cards. I hope you guys have enjoyed. Hope you have a lovely week, and I will catch you again real soon. Thanks for stopping by, and make a happy memory.